I see women, I see somebody, they didn't defend me. They're not supposed to go for comment something. Nobody can come for me. Like in this area, Okoko Etem, if they say when I avoid the thief, you go happy? No. Every day they say, boy, don't thief. Boy, don't thief. You don't go happy, you go do meeting. Find which person is thief here. Because make it not put one our hala. That's what this thing depends on.
The question I want to ask you now. Like what we talk for that meeting with the local government chairman last year. You know where we centralize our matters. Where can I live Okoko? I'm going to live. And I can go other places. What do you have to do that? I am the question I want to ask you.
You know this you know say after you I go I lie for you. I want if there's a something you call me. If there's a something, see now this one now. If there's a something call me.
Oga, no verse. So you say
you go talk. I use myself come to see you people. We understand the same. If we say here we go on Abia, eh? We get right to there everywhere. But we don't get right to see for somebody even small cassava like this. We don't get right. But we get right to there everywhere for Abia. If you're entire boy now, I don't get power. Anywhere I don't get power. Imo I don't get power. Akwa Ibom I don't get power. But this Abia, then kill me Abia. Anything where we go.
I've been a governor give you authority to I've been a governor give authority.
Now governor no.
why not they go governor place?
Governor go give
When make I tell you. The chairman where we get from Yeti Ale chairman na CP. Na him be our guy if we do meeting. Officers men. Then carry us we dey 5. Captain Awa or I.
No match the cassava this thing, not be you.
And me, now here where they do everything. If something call we call meeting, we
Papa.
I don't understand. But if you're saying now, make all the wrong live here. Make it a not for farm. Then this area, you're not supposed to now enter here.
You know, say what to bring that person now because of spoiling that farm.
How am I go come for person house for backyard? But your guys say they supposed to come here. Why would you people come here? That was the comment.
He said, what did they call here?
Oko.
If you say Oko, not only here now, the whole bush now Oko. No be so.
Now for person house, here is not bush now. 3 houses. I'm listening.
What do we do? We actually don't come here to call the people, give them the money. We know how to talk to them. They not be say enter somebody compound like this. No, like up here. All now Oko now. The rear up. Why you make the enter let's see compound? Did you hear me, ba?
A person compound a person compound. That means we are not safe here. If you people are coming to our backyard, this is backyard. It's not, this place is not bush. This is somebody's house, somebody's compound. You will come, use your hand, pull the whole cassava out for Nama to eat.
That's where.
99.
Why should they be coming here by night?
The meeting where we do, we say make the know the Kadnama in the night.
99.
You know go see. Farm day, farm no day, you know go see.
You know go see.
If
Grass.
in the afternoon, you see here, you know go enter here. Say grass where I see here. If I the real Nama here, I go carry Nama reach only this grass. I go back.
We get security here. We get
where I just Simon.
the full shoot and 10 animal.
That where I just Simon. I follow Nama. I know how to real Nama. I know one problem with the people. But even now, I go try by best by grace of God.
I beg, if you know what you go do am. I don't want to make it disturb you.
Or to cause problem between the Ghana people and this community.
I don't
need that.
You know, so now here you are home.
I just say, thank you people. But anything where when I say make you when I'm not the best, make when I be calling me, I happy. This one where you call me, I'm very happy. But I use myself come here. But now we go try this one where I talk. I need we call meeting. Any day where is again, they make we call meeting. I invite the people where the real number here. We sit down, I tell them.
You say anything wait, you say anything where we see Oga, you say anything where we see, make we know the verse. Make we call you.
Okay,
that is what you said.
Okay, say how they call me, make it no verse. Now I said them make it know the verse, make it them they call me. Not besides say you see bad thing.
Are you
people
going
to call me?
Put this cassava back to the shape?
Madam,
is it possible now? Is it possible?
I know one make you cry. Me where you see me, I get mama like you. I know one make you cry. Any person where he marry, get children. If you see somebody that build children, you not go happy. We are the same.
See bush, see houses. They live bush.
Oh, God, we go
come
there.
house.
We go one day.
This is not good, though. We don't be stupid people.
Thank God
You
are here.
understand?
Eh?
This
You
is
think
not
this
good
yourself.
at all, though.
We don't want to take a lot into our hands. That's why we came to. I was the person that wrote the petition. Then I sent my brother. They went. That day I had a meeting.
I know.
So I am almost seconding the essays in this community. And whatever, now me call DPO. Say make him call you people. Come and see what they did. My personal farm, I could say make a note of last year. But if I tell you, it will make me to starve. Okay. How can if we send let me tell you, if we send our security to do something that is not supposed to be done, they say now we cause the problem. If you kill one llama now, you two will come. But if they damage our farm, you will not come. But thank God you're here.
Sorry, make I tell you something. Make it obvious. Make you understand yourself. This is a very junction. You know how where your people fire somebody from the eye to. You know that time. For a very junction. Yes. Your people fire and come the eye on.
You don't care now.
Una siam. Oboro ntim ka nti unu. And oboro anyamu ka anu na anu otopo. But the whole thing where they break my heart for inside this thing where una just watch now be say they talk say now una governors gave them the authorization to lay claim on your lands.
If you're entering Bonny now, I don't get power. Anywhere I don't get power. Imo, I don't get power. Akwa Ibom, I don't get power. But this Abia, then came the Abia. Anything where we go.
I've been a governor give you authority to I've been a governor give authority.
Now, governor, no.
Why don't they go governor place?
This one is not like I am making stories up or like something. Sometimes people will say it's a propaganda. You know, this platform is not a propaganda platform. Here we see it, we say it the way it is. The other time I came up on this platform with the video where the governor of Anambra State is telling you their negotiation with the Métis Allah, that if they destroy your crops or your farmlands or property, then they will pay 500,000. Or if anybody even go into if it goes into a murder case, they will pay 500,000 naira and the investigation will continue. You heard it when he said it on this platform, so I'm not going to repeat that video. If you have not watched it, search for it on this platform. All right, now I cried out, nobody listened. The other time I made a publication where Deputy Governor of Abia State was making a similar statement to that of Anambra State. And you see that there is a uniformity in their approach and their relationship with this Métis Allah. No wonder they have refused to sign into law anti-open grazing bill. You see, ADF, Alibo Development Foundation, sent this drafted bill to all the state governments, Igbo-speaking states, to enact these laws, to bring it up from the customary law to make it a state law. They refused. This is one thing that have been posing serious security threats in our homeland. Yet, they are insensitive about it. Yet, you are just good going to your shop, opening it and closing it at the end of the day. And you are not even sure that your communities are safe. Some of you that are in the cities, do we really have cities in Igbo land? Anyway, let me just put it, glorify cities, because things that make a city is not available in all of our cities. But let us keep that aside for another day. You feel safe wherever you are in urban areas, and your villages are insecure. Now, let me tell you one of the implications of these headers' activities and their major agenda. Their main agenda is to perpetually make Igbo land dependent on food supply from the north. They have monopolized cattle railing and goat railing. So it is now their monopolized business. Our people abandoning our Igbo cows. As if that is not enough. The cash crops that you depend on, like cassava, maize, and all of that farm produce are now being used as the first target to make Igbo land food dependent from the north. How does that happen? When they overrun your, or when they graze with their cattle on your farmland and unleash the kind of terror we have been witnessing, the butchering of people, the ransacking of village and fast settlements, the raping of women, all farmers are now running away from that farm settlement. The implication is that they will not go into farm to farm again. The implication is that food prices has shot up. Okay, those of you that are in this part of the world, you can attest to what I am saying now. That before now, if you buy apple cassava loi or 15 naira, a full-fledged man like me that doesn't eat too much will not be able to finish it. That's, I mean, loi for 15 naira is as big as this. Now, go to the market. Some of you who are here, you can attest to that. 15 naira cassava loi is something like this now. I am not joking. Me that doesn't pay attention to some of these things witnessed it. I saw it. In fact, my mom bought one and she said, Chinedu come, will go 15 naira. Something like this. And I cried. I bled in my heart. I said, so it has gotten to this point. Some people may not understand these things, so because you are busy doing buying and selling. You are busy thinking that it is because of the nature of things, the economy and the rest. Or some of them may even attribute it to coronavirus, thinking that is the reason why Apple 15 naira is now like this. I am not joking. Go to your market and see it for yourself. How I wish I bought one. Oh my God, I miss this. How I wish I bought one. And one of these days I'm going to show it to you here, and you know that I'm not joking. And you know that any word I tell you is what I saw. Lolo 15 naira like this. Very small thing that cannot even be enough for a 5-year-old person. No, fun bi apple 15 naira gabo. That is where we are heading to. We are heading to food crisis in Igbo land. And we are here shouting on top of our voice, telling you that we must come out en masse by the end of next month. If these people don't sign into law anti-open grazing bill, then we'll shut down everywhere. Because our lives, it is better we'll all come out en masse and be killed by our government than to die in the hands of these headers, either through starvation or direct assault. No, check it. That is why I keep telling you. You see that 1 million march, it is a must. If you like, cut my life down. I tell you, it is what? A must. The government must be persuaded, because this one is no longer the issue of writing to them, protesting just like that and going. No, we will shut down everything. Let everything be put to a stop. Because how can you have a people that cannot feed? How can you be dependent, heavily dependent on imported foods into Igbo land? And you don't care. Not just that it is imported, but the manner at which it is being carried out. My people are going on Africa. I don't want this video to be too long so that you'll be able to watch it and share it. This is happening now in Igbo land. Where we are heading to is doom if we don't act now. Join this campaign, 1 million march for anti-open grazing bill to be signed into law. Share this video and get more people to know about this march. It will happen here in Igbo land. I'm signing out. Keep sharing, keep liking, drop your comments. Let me have your opinion. This is the platform for the people. Keep sharing, keep liking, keep dropping your comment. It is our commitment to bring you the truth, even if it leads to our death. This is BVI Channel 1. We see it, we share it. Thank you for watching this far. I'm signing out.